Okay, now we have some guests who have come to our temple to perform. And this dance, it's a Bharatnatyam dance which is going to be performed by Nrityopasana Dance Academy, which is run by Lalita Narayan. And the girls are going to do a dance on Ganesh Stuti. So please welcome the girls on stage by giving them a big round of applause. Sorry, this dance is called as Devi Niye Thunnai.
Hare Krishna. Thank you everybody for this opportunity. This is my second year with the temple and I'm happy that I have my students here up on stage this year. The ones who are going to perform now are the little ones Avni Rajesh, she's Avni Rajesh, and the other one is Dikshita Karthik. Hope you enjoy this and please bless them. Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Nrityopasana Dance Academy students, and to Lalita Narayan for organizing such a beautiful dance. That was wonderful.